In the past years, expectations that public administrations involve citizens in their decision-making processes have grown starkly, from the local all the way up to the European level. However, public administrations often lack the enabling environment, and administrators don't always possess the knowledge and tools necessary to meet these expectations. This is exactly the gap that this training course aims to close. Our training targets public officials working in administrations that seek to build their internal capacity with the aim of scaling up and institutionalizing citizen engagement in their decision-making. It is designed for administrators working on the local, regional, or national level who are already somewhat familiar with participatory processes, but who would like to develop more advanced skills and learn all about how to make citizen participation really successful. Well, that completely depends on the knowledge and tools you need to implement participatory processes. The whole course consists of 10 different modules, and each one focuses on a different aspect of citizen engagement. As a participant, you could choose to take just one module, all modules, or any given combination of them. For example, you could learn all about different deliberative and co-creative techniques and how to employ them in isolation or together. You could also learn all about the different planning stages of a participatory process and how to tailor it according to your local political culture and issues. Or maybe you want to focus on your ability to evaluate and follow up on a participatory process. There's also modules for that. The training was designed by experienced citizen participation practitioners who have implemented participatory processes in different countries and on the local, regional, and even national level. So it's really hands-on and practice-oriented. You're going to learn from a lot of different real-life examples and cases, and you will have the opportunity to exchange with your peers from other public administrations from all over Europe. You're going to receive a course book, multimedia material, and a lot of additional resources to learn even more about the topic. So, if you feel like learning more about how to organize and implement participatory processes, do register for our course. We look forward to seeing you there.